You can lock your profile for various reasons. Most people lock their profile because they don't want strangers to stalk them. Remember, when you lock your profile, only your friends will be able to see your posts and pictures. This will keep you safe from stalkers and people who want to infringe on your privacy. Let's get started. Click on the Facebook icon there. Okay. This is my Facebook profile here. But now I want to lock it. Okay. I don't want people to view it, to view my posts or photos unless they be my friends. What do? Click on your profile here. Okay. Now click on this gear button. You see this gear button right here. Okay. And everything. Just click on this gear button, just like that. Okay. Now you'll have to scroll until you see a place label profile locking. Okay. Right here. See this profile locking. Just click on it. Okay. Now lock your profile. Just click on that button. Nice and easy. Okay. Now I've locked this profile. If I try going back like this, clicking on the arrow button, and then I click profile locking, you'll see that you've locked your profile. Okay. If you wish, you can unlock it. But if let me just see my profile here so that you can see what I'm talking about.